Hello and welcome back to AI Founders Connect, your go-to source for the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. From game-changing breakthroughs to industry updates, we've got it all covered. Let's explore the most significant and exciting advancements in artificial intelligence from this past week. DeepMind protein folding. DeepMind, a subsidiary of Google, has achieved a significant breakthrough in protein folding prediction. Their latest AI model demonstrates remarkable accuracy in predicting the intricate 3D structures of proteins, a crucial task in drug discovery and biomedical research. This breakthrough has the potential to revolutionize the field of structural biology and accelerate the development of novel therapeutics for various diseases. IBM Unveils Quantum QX-5. IBM has announced the launch of its latest quantum computing system, the IBM QX-5. This cutting-edge system features enhanced qubit coherence and connectivity, paving the way for more powerful quantum computations. With its advanced capabilities, the IBM QX-5 holds promise for solving complex optimization problems, simulating quantum systems, and advancing research in areas such as cryptography and materials science. Tesla enhances Autopilot with AI. Tesla has recently unveiled major updates to its Autopilot technology, emphasizing substantial improvements in its AI-driven algorithms. These upgrades aim to advance the safety and functionality of Tesla's autonomous driving systems, which include both its standard advanced driver assistance features and the more comprehensive full self-driving suite. With these AI enhancements, Tesla continues to advance the frontiers of automotive innovation, striving for a future where transportation is both safer and more efficient. Microsoft's LLM MAI-1. In a major shift in its AI strategy, Microsoft has revealed its plans to develop an in-house large language model known as MAI-1. This initiative marks a departure from Microsoft's previous reliance on OpenAI's technologies for its AI-driven projects. The introduction of MAI-1 signifies Microsoft's efforts to expand and diversify its AI capabilities, positioning the company as a significant contender in the competitive field of advanced AI model development. This strategic move underscores Microsoft's commitment to advancing its own AI technologies and innovations. Apple preparing for a smarter Siri. Apple is set to enhance its AI offerings with potential collaborations with OpenAI and Google, alongside innovations to make Siri smarter and more efficient. Ahead of its annual WWDC in June, Apple is reportedly focusing on developing smaller, faster AI models capable of running fully offline on iOS 18 devices. This includes using innovative storage solutions to increase processing speed and the development of ELBERT, a compression system that minimizes AI model size with minimal impact on performance. These efforts signify Apple's commitment to refining its AI technology, particularly aiming to boost Siri's capabilities significantly. That concludes our roundup of today's AI news. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and ring that notification bell for exciting updates. Stay connected and embrace the future of AI. Also, make sure to sign up for this month's must-attend event, the AI Founders Connect Venture Capital Night.